And we're back. Take 2 on the head, starting with the face. This video is filmed concurrently with the previous video, hence the cardboard on the chin there. Starting with some placeholder electronics in this one, fans and servos. A reminder that all of this is just to make cardboard pattern or template from which I will make the foam costume itself later. Here's a salvaged servo for use in the eyelid mech. He'll look a whole lot less angry and upsetting once he has some skin on, but the scale is approaching right and he's a lot more comfortable now. That's it for this one. See you next time.